Hi everyone, so I'm back today with another craft with me video. This is also a design team project for the old design shop. Don't want to get that all muddled up, do I? Anyway, this is using 3, 4, maybe 5 of the kits from the old design shop. I will link each and every kit below because I can't remember which ones they are off the top of my head, because some of them I've just recently got. So anyway, I made these little projects, and I'm going to be making more of these kind of little projects because I'm going to make a little kind of grungy, gardeny themed journal. Okay, so anyway, stay tuned and watch me make all of these in one video. That's good for me, isn't it? Anyway, enjoy. Oh, and also the old design shop will be linked in the description box, and there is a 50% sale on at the moment. So all digitals, I think all digitals anyway, or maybe it's just selected for digitals, 50% off. But check that out as well. That's a great deal, 50% off. Can't get any better than that, apart from free. But anyway, they're not free. Anyway, yeah, check that out in the description box. So here we get started. All the little die cuts were from what I've just shown you. That was a couple of things that I'd got on Temu, no brand, no name. So one of them is like a little mini clipboard type thing. So I'm just creating something with that. Just inking up using, I think this is walnut stain that I was using. And I'm just kind of gluing things down. I'm only going to come on if I feel that I need to explain anything on here. The rest is just like watch the process. So there won't be much talking at all. So, and if you do have any questions, then you can ask in the comment section below. But yeah, just watch me make these projects. So now with this, I'm going to cut that off because I'm going to make an actual envelope from it. Now this boggled me, this is why I'm not explaining it. So I'm thinking, right, I'm going to use some like quite thick, it wasn't quite cardstock, but it was a good thick paper that was coffee dyed. And I'm going to glue around them 3 edges and put that down. And that's going to be my pocket. And now I'm going to try and create the flap. And I confused myself, something terrible doing this. I don't know why. It was actually really simple, but I think I just overthought it. So anyway, as you can see here, I'm fiddling around with it and I'm thinking, okay, what if I don't line it up? Like when I fold that over, and then it doesn't match, I've just wasted it. So I'm thinking, right, I'll just cut up the sides here and do the same that side. And just leaving myself plenty of room so that I can add that to, add the flap to the flap, if you know what I mean. And at this point I'm like, how am I going to do this? I really did. My head was like somewhere else. But anyway, and then I thought, okay, look, you can see me, I'm all over the place with this. And I'm not going to say what I did until I do it, because you're probably all shouting there like, draw around it. So that was as simple as it had to be, and I just overcomplicated it for myself. But anyway, that's how that worked. So that was and there's lots of little like envelopey type things in these kits, and like I said at the beginning of the video, there will be all the links below in the description box for these kits and 50% off. So there we go. Easy little projects, didn't take me that long at all. I did speed it up a little bit because I'm running out of storage, so I couldn't really have like it all full length. My phone just won't hold it. Looking to get a new phone soon anyway. So anyway, that was my little projects. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up would be great, comment would be super, and speak to you all soon. Bye.